Okay guys, so we have another mail time episode for you guys today, and we're going to be unboxing $5,000 worth of shoes. It might even be more. This one's actually a mystery box, so I don't know what the value of this one's going to be. But yeah, we basically spent $1,500, but we got $4,000 worth of shoes. I've made a couple of videos like these in the past. If you guys want to check it out, this is the latest one up here. A lot of great savings, and I'll show you guys a lot of great tips. So if you guys are interested in some cool sneaker unboxings, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time unboxing, a bunch of great sneakers in here, and actually a lot of savings. It's funny because a lot of people these days are like trying to flex how much they're spending on sneakers, but I'm out here trying to flex how much I'm saving on sneakers. So if you guys enjoy that kind of content, then this is going to be a great video for you guys. We're going to get into it right away, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a minimalistic jewelry company that is based out of Australia. You guys may or may not have seen me wear these on the channel before, but this one is actually the wing necklace piece, which you guys can check out over here. Very nice and stylish piece. You guys can see it against that COS Uniqlo shirt that just dropped, against like a white tee and stuff. It pops out really well. So really like this piece, and like I mentioned, the prices of these things are very good, especially right now because it is the end of the financial year sale for Rose Gold and Black. So there is a 30% off savings for you guys and free shipping on top of that. You guys don't need to worry about that Australia international shipping because it is free. Anyway, if you guys go to the link in the description below, you guys click on that link, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you'd be able to cop necklaces like the wing necklace and a whole bunch of other great jewelry. There's bracelets, there's necklaces, there's watches, there's a whole bunch of good stuff. So I highly encourage you guys to check it out. I myself actually just picked up a whole bunch of new stuff from Rose Gold and Black for my dad for Father's Day. So hopefully that comes in. I think the delivery should be here by the time it's Father's Day. I hope so. If not, sorry Dad, if you're watching this, you're gonna get your stuff a little bit late. But yeah, if you guys are trying to cop for yourself or you're trying to cop for your dad, family members or friends, highly recommend you guys check it out. Rose Gold and Black, linked in the description below. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing, guys. We have a lot of great stuff in here today. Box number one, like I said, this is actually a mystery box from Net Magnetism. Net Magnetism is a shop out in Canada, and they specialize in like these like sneaker raffle kind of things where you spend like 11 bucks and you're entered into like this raffle format where you have the chance to get like very high-end shoes. I think right now they're doing like a Pigeon SB Dunk raffle, which is crazy, along with Red October's Yeezy Plats. But it is a game of luck, so most of the time you will not win. Actually, like the vast majority of the time you will not win. I think my percentage for this draw was like 0.2 or something, so it's very minuscule. But I mean, if you can get $11 for a Pigeon Dunk, it's a good cause, you know. But make sure you guys are conservative with all of that. Anyway, I did not win the Net Magnetism raffle for the What the Dunk, but I was able to cop a mystery pair for coming in like I think 4th or 5th place. So let's see what we got. Okay, so what I see is a BHM box, Black History Month. This is a Jordan 2 Black History Month in a size 10.5. So this is an interesting sneaker. I didn't even know they made a Jordan 2 Black History Month sneaker, but you guys can see it over here. This is the free pair that we got from that Magnetism for the raffle. Underneath the camera over here, Black History Month vibes. So you guys can see that branding over here, BHM Black History Month, and a lot of bright colors and stuff that I really enjoy on the Black History Month collabs. Jordan 2s I'm not really a fan of, but this is not a bad design at all. And I mean, it was basically like a free pair. I mean, I paid $11 for this thing, which, let's check out what it retails for. I typed in BHM 2, it didn't show up. BHM Jordan 2? What's going on? Jordan 2 Black History. There we go, 2019. It just came out this past year, that's why I didn't know. Okay, well these things are going for under retail, so I guess it retailed for $190. They're selling on the aftermarket for $100. I mean, that's not great, but $11 for a $100 shoe, that's pretty cool still. I wish I could hit the big one, but when you're running odds of like 0.2%, you're probably not going to win. So I try every now and then if I see something crazy, but for the most part, I don't enter all of them anymore. Just not financially responsible. So yeah, that's what I've been doing with that. But if you guys want to check out Net Magnetism, I encourage it because they are a legit shop with the opportunity to get you guys some great shoes for 11 bucks. So check that out. So the next set of shoes is actually where we saved money. Like I was telling you guys, I wasn't sure about the mystery box, but I know exactly how much we spent on these shoes and how much we saved. We spent 1,500 bucks on these two shoes and it's worth over $4,000. So I'll show you how we did that and where we got that from. Let's open up this first one first though. You guys know what it is. This is from GOAT app. And this one you guys have just seen on that last video. It is a Jordan 4 model. In a size 10.5, and we actually got another pair of the Jordan 4 snakeskins because this one is even cleaner than the first one that I got like in the last video, and it's also cheaper. So you guys can check it out over here. The Jordan 4 snakeskin is a premium Jordan 4 model. You guys can see that leather is like insane quality up here, and this is a freaking clean pair. No chipping at all over here, and the bottoms are almost immaculate, dude. This is a very, very clean pair. So like I was saying in that past video, that Jordan 4 in that video was like 300 or 315. This one was $275 for this shoe. They retailed at 400, but if you check out the dead stock prices for one of these, you know, the brand new version, not the slightly worn pair, it's actually going for like 650 to like 700 bucks. We saved a lot of money right there, hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it's because we bought used. I am going to preach this until everybody is like listening to me. Buy lightly worn shoes. Don't buy crazy worn shoes because that's probably not a good investment, but lightly worn, I am a big advocate for that, guys, and I want to show you guys why. That's why I keep doing these, like, I paid this much money for X amount of dollars worth of shoes, because if you bought this brand new, you would be spending $400 more than what I paid for it. And there is no way that once this is on my feet, you guys would know if it was used or new, because it's on my feet. And I'm gonna say this as many times as I need to until I see everybody in the comments preaching the good word of lightly worn shoes, because I just think it's smart for people to save money. Wearing worn shoes isn't for everybody, but when you guys disinfect the sneakers and stuff, it is well worth it in my opinion. And this shoe was probably worn maybe once. You guys saw the quality, it's insane. And we got one more sneaker in here that you guys are gonna freak out over. Let's see what we got. Boy, you ain't ready for this, man. I guess you guys can peep this right here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's a big shoe, guys. It's a big shoe. And we have a pair of Yeezy 2 Platinums out here, man. Yeezy 2 Plats, crazy shoe, like probably top 5 grail for a lot of people. And this one is super clean. Like, check this out. One of my favorite shoes of all time, man. And this one is in pristine condition considering it is used. Like you guys can see over here, the upper looks very clean. The suede over here isn't damaged at all. There's no like cracking of the paint over here. Scales look very clean. Not even a lot of scuffs on the back heel, which is pretty prevalent on a lot of these shoes. Bottoms, yeah, they're kind of discolored, but the shoe was from 2013 or something like that. It was a while back. Crazy quality on these things, very clean. It also comes with like size tags. I guess they fell off, which is very common for these sneakers. And then we have all of the gold lace tips. Nice. So that is really cool. And you guys aren't gonna believe what I paid for these shoes. So these shoes are going for DS prices of I think like $3,700, $3,800. So an insane amount of money, dude. $3,800 can pay for like months and months of rent. It could even buy like a used car, man. Like, that's a lot of money. I didn't pay $3,800. I paid $1,200. $1,200 for these shoes. When you guys saw the condition, it was super clean, and we almost have OG all. I think it's missing one silver lace tip. And the box, I mean, is a little bit damaged, but that's not a big deal to me. I'm not caring if I got the box or not. I care about the shoes. Nobody's gonna see the shoe box except for myself. So that saved me $2,300 right there. And I know $1,200 isn't cheap, but the savings of $2,300, I think that's pretty darn good, dude. With that $2,300 that we saved from not spending the dead stock price, we could actually get a whole bunch of other stuff. And I think that's why it's important, because if you want to grow collections, you need to save money where you can. I am not out here trying to flex how much I'm spending on sneakers. I am out here trying to flex how much I can save on sneakers. And that's the message that I'm trying to pass on to you guys. Some people in the comments and stuff say, okay, well, you didn't actually save $2,300, you spent $1,200. But the thing is like, if you're gonna get this shoe and you're planning on getting it no matter what, like your heart was set on it and you were thinking about getting it for a DS price, if you can find it for cheaper, that is savings. It's the way you think, it's the way you frame things, right? So it depends on how you tell yourself, are you spending this money? Were you willing to spend this money? And how much can you save on this sneakers? And like I said, this thing isn't for everybody, man. So you can see it from a small scale model with the Jordan 4 where you can save a couple $100s here and there, or you can see it from like the large scale where you can spend $1,200 but get a shoe that's essentially worth $3,600. That's why I love looking for these deals, man, because I feel very proud and accomplished when I can find something that is like a lot cheaper than what it's going for. You know, it's like the thrill of the hunt. Like, that thing for me is like a rush. I don't have the money to buy DS shoes for everything, but I do want to try to up my sneaker collection, you know, make it better and try to find steals and deals here. And a big thing for resellers and stuff is you can buy used $1,200 for this. The competitive market price for this used shoe is probably like about $2,000. So if I sold this, I would actually profit $800. And that is something that you can do as well. It's not only about building a collection, you can actually earn money by buying used too. So that's why I do it, guys. And this is all from the GOAT app. Not a sponsored video by GOAT app, but if you guys want to check it out and download it, the link is in the description below as well. Again, I'm not trying to sell anything to you. I'm trying to save you guys money. So take it if you want, but that is just my suggestion. Anyway, that is it for this video. Again, huge savings. All you got to do is be observant, look on the app, be constantly looking, and then always look for what the competitive market is and if you can find steals based off of that price. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys like seeing the crazy savings that I can make on shoes, then don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys want to see a lot more of this content. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!